Kudutshulwe kwabulawa uthishanhloko emagcekeni esikole Finetown eEnnerdale eningizimu yeGoli. Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uvakashele lesisikole wasigxeka kabi lesisenzo esho nokusho ukuthi kunesandla soboya kuso.
Clearly the principal was followed. After just parked, somebody walks in and they execute the task that they've been given by whoever gave them that task, and they just walk out of the school.
Lesufi uthi ukhathazeke kakhulu ngezenzo ezifuze lesi njengoba seziyinsakavukela umchilo wesidwaba esifundazweni.
In terms of the 3 incidents that I've attended, this is the 3rd one. The principal that was shot on the main road here. I think police worked on that case, and also the principal that was shot around here. So it's and I think the police were indicating that they mediated another case where a principal felt he's or she's targeted and wanted protection from the police.
Ukwanda kwalezi gameko kwenza umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo eGauteng ucabangisise indlela oqokwa ngayo othishanhloko.
Appointments of teachers, appointment of HODs, deputy principals and principals, becoming a contested area. That is why some of us are arguing with Parliament that the manner that we appoint principals must change, because the current format is creating problems for all of us.